Good Thursday morning. Happy Thursday. We've reached the warmest day of the week, maybe the most pleasant day of the week as well. We're looking at temperatures on their way into the upper 50s. Some spots, I think today we'll reach the low 60s, and we're going to be enjoying this pretty much all day. Less wind than yesterday and a fair amount of sunshine, so great looking day ahead of us already this morning. We are warmer than the average high temperature for this time of the year. 39 would be the typical high. 44 is where we stand right now, just a few minutes after 8 o'clock on this Thursday morning. And actually, right now, we are 1 week away from Thanksgiving, as I've been reminded a couple of days. It's a couple times today already. It's just hard to imagine. It's coming up on us, and boy, if we'd hold on to this for a bit longer, we'd be doing pretty well. And I do think the weather right now for Thanksgiving does look pretty good, so that's a good thing. But right now, 44 degrees, looking toward the bell tower to CC Heights. That's our Quality Group camera in the heart of Rochester on CC Heights. And as we move along through the day, we're going to enjoy near 60-degree warmth. First time of this week, and really the only time this week. The weekend itself and next week will be cooler, but at times you're going to find moments where it actually is pretty pleasant. You can't always get 60 degrees this time of the year in late, or at least the second half of November. But if you can find a day in the 30s or 40s where it's not windy and it's sunny, I think at that point you take what you can get, and that is not half bad for this time of the year. But again, right now, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today we're talking about the warmest day of the week, and a lot of sunshine. A fair amount of cloud cover at times, but more sun than clouds. Moving along through the day, we'll see those southwest winds slowly subside. 17 miles per hour this morning. 8 or 9, 10 miles per hour this afternoon. By then, high temperatures around 59 degrees. Really looks nice this afternoon. Temperatures this evening will drop a little more quickly. We'll lose some of that because a cold front's coming through, so clouds will break up, and then we're going to see more and more of the starlight, but kind of a chillier night in store for Thursday night. But 44 right now here in the Med City. It feels like 37. Air pressure steady, 29.77 inches of mercury. And just about everybody's in the 40s, very close to it. 44 Rochester, Northwood 46. It's 50 in Winona, and already 50 in La Crosse. Those spots certainly well on the way toward the 60-degree mark, I think, later on. Ahead of the cold front, there's that warmth building in. A few very thin clouds across our area. Secondary shot of cool air comes in later tonight, and eventually high pressure comes in for tomorrow. It looks like actually a really nice Friday. Not as warm as today, but maybe a little less in the way of wind and even more sunshine to wrap up the week. So today we have that front moving in, and winds out of the southwest becoming more northwesterly after about 3 o'clock this afternoon as the front edges its way through. But temperatures really won't be noticeably colder until after sunset. Then we see the temperatures take kind of a tumble, dropping into the low 40s by midnight and only 30s by tomorrow. But still not half bad for this time of the year. A little bit above average for those overnight temperatures. For tomorrow, there's high pressure coming in for the west, increasing sunshine, winds around 15 miles per hour, so daytime highs in the mid 40s. And then going through Saturday, light winds still, high pressure right on top of us. A chilly morning. We start in the 20s. We'll reach highs right around 40 or very low 40s on Saturday afternoon. Sunday, some sprinkles, a little bit of very light flurry activity for a couple of hours in the morning. Afternoon looks increasingly sunnier, and Sunday looks like a day right around 40 degrees. So not a terrible Sunday, just a little murky at first. Today, look for partly sunny skies, breezy, warm weather. At times, winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, but not nearly as windy as yesterday's 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. We had 44 as a peak gust yesterday here in Rochester on Wednesday. Today, not that windy, thankfully. 59 in Rochester, 60 in Austin, 64 Charles City, and 61 in Winona, with, again, sun and a few clouds, and that at times brisk southwest breeze. Lighter wind tonight, mainly clear skies, 35 overnight. And tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, a pretty pleasant day, seasonably cool, 45 for your Friday. That really will be the warmest of the next few days still after today. 45 tomorrow, right around 40 over the weekend. A couple of sprinkles or some flurries, possibly again early on Sunday. There's a 7-day forecast. Monday, dry day, but Tuesday, it looks like we may start that day with a minor coating of snow. There's a possibility of that as the warm air does arrive later on with a chance of rain beyond that, but there may be a chance for a very minor coating of snow at first on Tuesday. The rest of the week looks pretty good. And Thanksgiving, a preview of that, there's sunshine. 43, that's about 5 degrees above the average high for Thanksgiving, so I think we would take that with a tranquil day. I don't know how many people are traveling, but if you were to go outside, maybe you take a walk after dinner or whatever. Good weather for that. This temperature is pretty tolerable for late November. In the meantime, enjoy today's beautiful, sunny and mild weather. Today, again, the warmest day of the week, probably the last chance at getting anywhere close to 60 this month as it stands right now. And who knows when that will come back. So have a great Thursday. I'll see you right back here tomorrow for TGIF.